morning, guys. Today is a Friday, I think. It's raining in Pretoria, and I have a class about 12. It's 11 now, and somebody's taking their time. Anyway, I have to run out. I am a bit sick today. I don't feel like going to school, but I have to because I have to mark the register. Not that I'm going for that, but it's like I'm sick, so I might as well sit at home. But because I haven't been attending a lot, I'm just gonna go for the sake of the register because we want to write an exam at the end of the semester. Okay, so I have been sitting here contemplating what to wear because it's raining and I have a flu already, so I want to keep myself warm. Life is hard. Life is hard at this point. Should I go? Should I not go? I'm going. Let me not even convince myself any further because I won't. Trust me, I won't. I haven't had breakfast. I don't think I want to have breakfast at this point because I'm not feeling okay. Like, I feel like I want to go to sleep for the whole year at this point. So, you know, I need to take off my hairstyle because it's now old. But we can renew that because we don't have money. We can work around that. Anyway, let me just get dressed and I'll catch you with you guys later. Yo guys, these are my favorite hair products. It keeps my hair natural and kind of like relaxed the way I want it. That's probably why my dreadlocks look good. It's because of these products, but they're really expensive. This is literally my favorite leave-in conditioner. And yeah, this is the shampoo and all of them beautiful products. To be quite honest, they are expensive, but they keep my hair really nourished and healthy. Okay, but today I'm just going to buy this hair food. Okay guys, but because the budget is a bit too tight, I'm just gonna go with this conditioner for now. It really works online, but it's not my ideal one though. Literally everything is so expensive now. Okay guys, I'm so late, but I'm just done dressing up. I'll show you guys the fit when I get to the list, but let me head out. I'll see you at school. I'm already late, so if you see me get in that class that you know we're going to, that history class, just know that I'm sick, so I wasn't planning on being late. It just happens. Food check. Going down. You know what's the craziest thing? Is that I'm always running to class. Like literally, I have 1 minute to get to Tutor building. Here I am. Like they literally wear heels. Everybody wears heels. It's like the new thing now.
Really? We should get heels then.
Should get heels. We should get.
But how? Because you're always late.
How am I gonna run? Ah!
Suggested by this motif also recalls the existential crises replaced. It's part of the background, so it's not really part of the
Now, why did I play this song? Why do you think I played this song at the beginning of this class?
Skills in order, and you can also find order in chaos.
Exactly.
So like it's also related to this quote in the Bible, I am the way, truth, and life. So it's finding that in between life, like the line of meaning, that's what they call line of truth.
Yeah.
Hey guys, okay, I just wanted to kind of have a bit of a chat with you guys. It's currently, what time is it? 7:25. I'm not really doing much. Okay, I am doing much because I'm studying for this upcoming test. I'll be writing it on somewhere next week. I think it's Thursday or something. I'm not quite sure about the date, but I do know, and I am prepared for that test. Okay, I'm still studying, whatever. So I just wanted to kind of like have a bit of a chit chat with y'all, especially to those that have subscribed to my channel already. We are at, probably this will be the, I don't know. So just saying to those that kind of subscribe to my channel and kind of like followed and engaged, much appreciated. I didn't know the YouTube streets were this hard. Like I have 17k followers on Instagram, so I literally thought that YouTube is gonna be okay, maybe 1,000 people that actually like your pictures and kind of like follow your content on Instagram will actually come to YouTube and kind of like check you out, until other people from YouTube that watch YouTube on a regular basis and stuff will come. So I expected my people on Instagram to kind of like watch my videos and stuff. So I've been a bit humbled in that aspect. Yeah, that's what I wanted to say. But to be quite honest, I'm appreciative of the 100 people that have actually watched my videos, because I was like, okay, should I continue doing this? Is it worth it? But now, you know, at this point I'm just starting from the bottom and just growing this family and just making sure that we get somewhere before I like, okay, let me just leave the whole thing. Okay, so I'm just not gonna do that. But it kind of has been like a moment of realization for me that, oh, I actually have to build a family in this YouTube series. I cannot just assume that just because I have a few followers on Instagram and think that they'll just automatically jump to YouTube and start, you know, subscribing and liking and viewing my thing. I now realize that not everyone watches YouTube. As much as a lot watch YouTube, not everyone is interested in those vlog things and whatever YouTube has to offer at this point. So all I'm saying is thank you guys for subscribing, thank you guys for still tuning in, and I guess we just growing the family at this point. You're just taking it one step at a time. Yeah, anyway, I have said quite a lot, so I'm having dinner. This is a beautiful dinner, to be quite honest. Like, it's really a beautiful dinner. This was actually prepared by my sister, so I didn't cook this. That's why I didn't show you guys the whole process of cooking this. So I'm actually having this with my cup of cozy. Get back to work. And anyway, thank you guys so much. That's all I wanted to say. So let me show you guys the plate. I don't know if you guys could see this from this angle, because it's not giving the way it actually is. So what I want to say, let me just get back to work because I've been talking a lot. Why am I talking a lot today? I feel like I'm in a good mood though. I haven't been doing much or anything that would cheer me up and stuff, but I have been in a good mood lately and I'm loving it. I'm loving it. But anyway, let me just stop. Okay guys, let me now show you the food. We have 2 wings, a boars, what is this? Lettuce and cucumbers with chips and lemon on the side. Oh, we actually have sauce on the side. I should have said a sauce on the side, and our favorite green tea. So those are the vibes. Still working on whatever that is. No, Anati is doing things to me today. I've been listening to that song the whole day. Yeah, but anyway guys, you guys could probably tell I'm happy though. Like, I'm really in a good mood, I won't lie. It's just been a difficult week. I've been sick and tired of being a content creator. I'm not doing much, but the little that I'm doing, it's really hard. It's really, like, sometimes I do ask myself, how, like, do you guys go through all this just for content? Like, where do you get time to sleep? When do you get time to, I mean, it's a fun thing because you actually taking videos of everything that you're doing, like everything about your life and stuff, documenting that. That's a beautiful thing, but it's tiring. Yo, it's so exhausting, I won't lie, but it's a fun thing when you actually look at it and it's like, oh, that is cute. Oh, okay, that's so beautiful and all that. So that's the fun thing about recording your life and stuff, but having to go through editing, having to learn what are the things like the copyright and yo, it's a maza. But anyway, we're just gonna do it because it's exciting. It's really exciting. Let me stop. Bye.